Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix newsletter emails not appearing in Feedly. So if the newsletter emails aren't showing up in your app, it's usually because of setup issues with Feedly's newsletter feature, like Leo email engagement. And to fix the issues, first you will need to make sure that you are using the correct Feedly email. Okay, so you can find the newsletter just on the follow sources section right here. It's the tab that you can find at the bottom of your phone next to the explore icon. Okay, so the newsletter at the top right here. Okay, so you will need to tap on follow newsletter first, and then you will need to get a plan. Okay, so you will need to subscribe to the Feedly, and then you will need, as I told you, to make sure that you are using the correct Feedly email. So Feedly gives you a unique email address to receive newsletters after subscription. So all you need to do is to go right here and copy your Feedly email, something like your name plus random feedly.com, and subscribe to newsletters using that email. So if you used your personal Gmail, they won't appear, of course. Okay, also guys, they really advise to wait and refresh, so emails don't always appear instantly. So wait a few minutes, then pull to refresh and Feedly, or just go and restart the app, as simply as that. Okay, so to restart the app, you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone, then just swipe up the app that way, and then reopen it. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.